What just happened, guys?
We
waited 20 minutes for a train. We're free, by the way. Off by ourselves. Waited 20 minutes for a train. Train came, opened the door, took Mario and Chris from us, and took off.
Here we are at the train station without a translator.
The door just shut.
Literally, they walked in and the doors just shut right after Mario. We didn't even have a chance to walk in. Here we are. We don't know where we're going.
We don't even know if that was the right train.
That's true, that's
Luckily,
true.
we're here. The place that we stay is like right down there.
But we're not going there. We're
God
getting
is
on a
with us.
train.
God is with us.
But Mario and Chris aren't.
Here we are. Here we are.
We've already lost 2 members of our group.
And we've lost the most important one.
We lost a group of 3. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
no. Clarissa, it's not our
I
fault.
can't see this.
No, she's not seeing
This is
this.
something we tell her in 10 years. All right?
Good thing is though, is that we have a larger group and Chris has a translator.
That's true.
It's
That's
You
true.
have a guy.
What if you would have gone? It would have been us 3
Or
girls.
like 5 people had gone.
Oh gosh.
That would have been so bad.
It would have been me.
Terrified. It would so be me.
I'm just dying
just
right
walk
now.
back.
This is
I would
hilarious.
just go back and be like, oh
this-
my god.
We have fun
No, but I'm not supposed to be
stories.
alone.
What?
If like one person got left.
Oh, I know.
This is
so bad.
This is a fun story that we have in Portugal. Yeah, so much for the public transportation, Lielson. Golly, stranding people.
Okay, future Clarissa. We're gonna show you this in probably about 10 years.
Let's make it like 1 year.
1 year?
After we don't have to see her face to face.
I don't know.
Which is when?
She'll
She might-
find us.
She's
so true,
visiting
though.
Valdosta in a couple
Sorry, Carissa.
Okay.
I haven't laughed that hard in a long time, except for Chris's stories.